Hey everyone, it's Alison Heikkila. Thank you so much for joining me. It is officially September 1st, and I'm guessing by this bright pink envelope, you know what that means. It's time for the new release from A Colorful Life Designs. So let's see what goodies I have this time. Now, as always, I don't get every single stencil that's available with the release, so there will be some that are available that I'm not showing. But make sure that you visit A Colorful Life Designs and you will be able to see the entire release. Let's just, got some cardboard in here. Got some fabulous card bling. Look at that. This is a mix, so you don't get them all mixed up like this, but look at how fun that is. That would make a very happy shaker card. Okay. Let me see if I have. I don't think that I do. I'm going to double check and make sure that I don't have the mid-month release. I did actually have the mid-month release, so I have removed it because that always comes out on the 15th of each month. So there will be an additional stencil coming out this month, just like A Colorful Life Designs does every month. So let's see what goodies I have. As I'm sure you can probably imagine, there's going to be a few Halloween themed things in here because we've got to get ready for the spooky season, right? This is the first one. This is called We Fly. So there is a certain movie that I'm sure you can think of that has 3 witches as the main character, and this is very much in that kind of vein. It's adorable. So it's in plastic because you've actually got the mask of the broom here. So you can use that for a lot of fun things. Maybe you're stenciling off the broom, but you need to kind of cover it up when you're adding stamped images or something, or die cuts, or I don't know, other things, splatters. Not die cuts, that doesn't make any sense, but you know what I mean. So it's great that Mary Kay included the broom in here, and I think this is going to be a lot of fun. You can use this for so many things. I mean, just birds, forget about Halloween for a second, although I don't want to forget about Halloween, but you can just use this for birds, and it's great. I can definitely see you using the cum for different things too. Maybe it's for a party invitation. So that would be really fun too. So that is called We Fly. Next, oh, this one's really cool. This is Glittery Skull. How neat is that? Now, you could go crazy and put like little rhinestones. Maybe you take a pencil and kind of mark off where each of the dots are, or just ink it, right? And then you can put rhinestones across the whole thing or here and there. That could be fun. Maybe you're just going to use glitter paste, and that would be fun too. Wouldn't this be cool on a shirt? I feel like it would be really cool on a shirt. If you've got like fabric paint that's glittery, that would be pretty rad. I might need to do that. Ooh, or use it with artistry sublimation stuff. That could be fun too. Lots of ideas happening. This is Glittery Skull. Okay, this is a must-have. Spooky web. I love Mary Kay's webs. I've got a couple of them. This is really cool because it's imperfect. I love these sections here where they just kind of drag down. It's not a perfect, like, taut piece of web. It's just kind of hanging, more cobwebby-like. I think this is really cool. This is going to go great with the Vault release from Tim Holtz and Sizzix. Perfect backdrop for that. Really cool. And you don't have to use the whole thing. You can just use part of it. Could be great for just a corner piece, whatever. But yeah, if you just take, say, a portion of it, like you see this straight angle here, this straight line, it's basically straight. But say you want to just use that across your card, and that would be perfect because it'll reach both ends of an A2. That's very cool. All right, so that is Spooky Web. Next, we have Pumpkin Stack. How fun is this? So you've got one side where you ink up your pumpkins and the witch hat, and then the other side to put your faces. That's really fun. Makes for a really quick card. You can do this on some kind of neutral pattern paper or pattern paper that doesn't have a whole lot going on. Maybe something like a polka dot. And that would be just a really fun way to kind of make something really quick and have a cool impact with all of these pumpkins. That's really cute. And if you don't want to use them all, you know, say you only want 3 pumpkins, you can mask this off and then use the hat, bring the hat down to that top pumpkin, and you're good to go. And you can, of course, swap the faces as you wish as well, which is really cool. So that's pumpkin stack. Next, we have layered sunflower pumpkin. This is going to be really pretty. It looks a little wonky at the moment, but once it's done, it's going to be fab. So you've got your pumpkin here. These sunflowers are going to go down here. This is the center of the sunflowers plus the foliage. So that'll be kind of coming around there. And this, of course, is your stem. So when this is done, it's going to look fantastic. And you don't really have to mask much off. You might not want your browns to mix with your greens, but honestly, I kind of like that idea. I think that that would look really good. So I won't be masking. Really pretty. It's going to be fun to work with that. Okay, guys, here's something about me. Alison loves pie. I love pie. In fact, if you've ever read Harold and the Purple Crayon, and he talks about how he loves his pies, he has like 9 kinds of his favorite pies that he draws. That's me. I love pie. Pie fixes everything. And that is the name of the stencil. Pie fixes everything. Nice as pie. Sometimes you just need pie. Give thanks and eat pie. And me, oh my, I love pie. Now, of course, you've got a piece of pie here. But if you happen to have the pie collection from Spellbinders that came out a couple of years ago, which I, of course, do, this would be perfect for that. So while this is great and I'll totally use it, having these sentiments with the die cut pies is just a way to kind of extend the use of this particular stencil. So pie fixes everything. Just remember that. And I'm sure a lot of you are going to love using this stencil. All right, we're almost done. This one is Moon Man. So we've got the man in the moon here. So if you've got some type of circle die or a circle mask or something like that that you can use to make this man in the moon, or maybe you don't even need that. Maybe you just have an ink blended section on your card and you just have kind of an area that isn't super inky, right? You can just pop this guy there and you've got your man in the moon. I mean, you can use him for other things too, but he's very fun. And I love that there's 3 different sizes of him. So it's the same face, just in 3 different sizes. So that's Moon Man. This last one my daughter's going to steal from me. This is According to Wednesday. So I love this family. You guys know who I'm talking about. I've always loved this family. I dressed up as the mom once, and my daughter was this character, and it was the greatest Halloween dream realized. I had always wanted to do that with my own child, and the fact that we got to do that is really exciting. So now I can print out some of those pictures and maybe make a scrapbook page with this. I think that's going to be awesome. So this is called According to Wednesday. I prefer spooky. I definitely do. I am not perky. That's touch and go. You severely underestimate my apathy, and I'll stop wearing black when they make a darker color. I love this. This is awesome. But she's really fun and she's iconic. Like, you know exactly who that is. And I'm really excited to work with this. So this is going to be a lot of fun to play with. So those are all the stencils that I got. But again, there are other stencils available in this release. Just, you know, I can't get them all. I just don't have enough time to work with all of them. So I get what I know I can work with, the things that I have immediate ideas for, and then, you know, maybe somewhere down the line I'll get the rest. But make sure you go to the A Colorful Life Designs website to see the entire release. Because I'm sure you'll find something that you like. And make sure that you use my code ALFAN10 to save 10% on your purchase, except for the master bundles. And the master bundles are when you have the entire collection of stencils. Everything else you can use it on. And since we're about to get into card bling, if you get the master bundle of the card bling, for the first week, it is 20% off. You can use my coupon with that. After that first week, then it will go back to a higher price, and you could still use my coupon code. But it's best if you're going to get the bundle the first week because you're saving 20% and then an extra 10 on top of that. Let's talk about these colors. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this color. Metallic hot pink. I mean, it is glowing. Oh, I love that color. My hair used to be that color. I should do that color again. Then we have Metallic Pale Peach. This is kind of a rose goldy color. I really like this. This might very well be my second favorite of the batch this month. That's beautiful. This would be really elegant on New Year's cards, wedding cards, any type of congratulatory like anniversary card, retirement, something like that. It'd be really nice because it's not overly pinky. I mean, it is called Pale Peach, but it reads very rose gold to me. It's beautiful. It has kind of that luminous quality. It's not from the Luminous collection, but it kind of has that look to it. Beautiful. Third favorite is Metallic Grape because I am a purple girl through and through. This is like the best blurple that there is. Blurple is simply a bluish purple instead of more of a pinky purple. And this is it, man. This is gorgeous. Metallic Grape. Then we have Metallic Emerald Green. This is such a great color for Christmas time. If that's something that you celebrate or make cards for or whatever, this is just, it's like a true beautiful green. Love that. Then we have Metallic Orange. Great for any of your fall cards. And you don't have to just use these for shakers. You can use them just for spot shine here and there, you know, just play with them. They're so much fun. Then we have Crystal Opaque Tangerine. Beautiful. Look at those flashes of color. I love that. This would really be great for summertime too. If you made like a shaker card of a drink or something, that would be very fun. Next up, Crystal Opaque Sunflower. That is such a pretty yellow. I'm not really a yellow girl, but this is a really beautiful yellow. And those little bits of flashes of color, that like opalescent quality, it makes it even more striking. So pretty. Then we have, this is a funky color, Metallic Laser Lemon. It's kind of a greenish gold. I think that depending on what you put it next to, it's going to alter the way it looks. So we have Metallic Lime here, and this is making it look kind of greenish. But then if you put it next to this opaque sunflower yellow, it makes it look a little bit more yellow. Really cool. So that's Metallic Laser Lemon. Then we're going to take a quick look at the Metallic Lime again. Very cool. I like that. It's going to probably look really nice with Twisted Citron. I think that this one will as well. Then we have Metallic Cool Water Blue. It's very icy. It's very icy. This would be really nice if you do anything that has like a stormy look to it, or if you're doing winter cards, winter birthday cards perhaps, something with snowflakes, snowmen. I think that this will be perfect for that. Next we have Metallic Pink. A very pretty pink. Nice shade in there. And last we have Metallic Aqua. These look really nice together. Maybe if you're going, if you have someone that is pregnant and you're making them a card and they don't know what the sex of their baby is, this would be fun to use together. I think that they would be really pretty. So that is our lineup for September. I hope you're excited. I'm excited. I can't wait to start playing with these stencils. It's going to be a lot of fun. So that's it for me. I will be back very soon with not only another video, but lots of projects using these stencils and more. Don't forget, if you're only watching my videos, I have a lot more on my blog. So please be sure to visit my blog once in a while to see what I've been up to over there, because I don't have time to make videos for everything. So if you can hit me up on my blog, I would truly appreciate it. You can see lots of cool things over there. So make sure that you check out the A Colorful Life Design Shop. Use my code ALFAN10 and save yourself some loot. And I will see you guys all very soon. Thanks so much for hanging out. Be well, stay safe. Peace out.